Abstract wood wall art is not just decoration, it is an experience. It transforms empty interior walls into emotional statements, turning natural material into visual poetry. In modern interior design, abstract wood wall art stands at the intersection of nature, creativity, and architecture. Welcome to Hope Tube, where today we explore the world of abstract wood wall art for interior spaces, how it is created, why it matters, and how it reshapes modern living environments. Unlike traditional framed art, abstract wood wall art becomes part of the architecture itself. It is tactile, dimensional, and alive with texture. Every grain, knot, crack, and curve carries the story of the tree it came from, while the abstract design speaks the language of modern art. This video explains not only what abstract wood wall art is, but why it has become a defining feature of contemporary interiors across homes, galleries, hotels, offices, and luxury spaces. The meaning of abstract wood wall art. Abstract art does not imitate reality. It expresses emotion, movement, balance, and rhythm. When combined with wood, abstraction gains warmth and soul. Abstract wood wall art allows viewers to interpret meaning freely. One person may see flowing water. Another may feel mountain landscapes, wind, or silence. This openness is what makes abstract wood art powerful in interior design. It adapts emotionally to the space and the people inside it. Wood adds depth that canvas cannot. The shadows change throughout the day. Light moves across the surface. The artwork evolves with time, creating a living connection between art and environment. Why wood is perfect for interior wall art. Wood is a natural material that humans instinctively respond to. It creates calm, grounding, and comfort. In interiors dominated by concrete, glass, and metal, wood reintroduces balance. Abstract wood wall art softens modern interiors without making them traditional. It blends organic texture with contemporary form, making it suitable for minimalist, Scandinavian, Japandi, industrial, rustic modern, and luxury interiors. Every piece of wood is unique. No two artworks are ever the same. This uniqueness adds authenticity and value to interior spaces. From tree to wall, the artistic journey. The creation of abstract wood wall art begins long before design. It starts with material selection. Artists choose wood based on grain direction, density, natural imperfections, and color variation. Reclaimed wood is often preferred, adding history and sustainability to the artwork. Old beams, barn wood, driftwood, or discarded timber gain new life as interior art. Once selected, the wood is cut, shaped, layered, carved, or assembled into abstract compositions. Some artworks emphasize geometry and repetition. Others focus on organic flow and randomness. The artist decides how much control to impose and how much to let nature lead. Texture as a design language. Texture is the soul of abstract wood wall art. Raised panels, carved lines, stacked blocks, and layered surfaces create depth that invites touch and attention. In interior design, texture breaks visual monotony. Flat walls become dynamic surfaces. Light interacts with texture, creating highlights and shadows that shift throughout the day. Abstract wood wall art does not shout for attention. It quietly commands presence, enhancing the atmosphere without overpowering the space. Abstract wood wall art in modern interiors. In modern interiors, abstract wood wall art often replaces traditional paintings. Instead of framed images, the wall itself becomes art. Living rooms gain warmth and identity. Bedrooms feel calmer and more personal. Offices become more inspiring. Hotels and restaurants use wood wall art to communicate luxury, authenticity, and connection to nature. Large-scale installations create dramatic focal points, while smaller pieces add subtle elegance. Designers often use abstract wood wall art behind sofas, beds, reception desks, or staircases. Color, form, and balance. Most abstract wood wall art celebrates natural tones: oak, walnut, teak, ash, pine. These colors blend seamlessly with interior palettes. Some artists stain or burn wood to introduce contrast. Others leave it raw, allowing natural aging to enhance beauty over time. The abstract forms may be geometric, wave-like, fragmented, or asymmetrical. Balance is key. Even chaotic designs are carefully composed to feel intentional and harmonious. Sustainability and modern values. Abstract wood wall art aligns perfectly with modern values of sustainability and mindful living. Using reclaimed or responsibly sourced wood reduces waste and environmental impact. Interior design today is not just about appearance, it is about ethics. Wood wall art tells a story of reuse, respect for nature, and slow craftsmanship in a fast world. This is one reason abstract wood wall art resonates so deeply with contemporary audiences. Emotional impact of wood in intros. Wood connects people to nature, even in urban environments. Abstract forms allow emotion to flow freely without literal interpretation. In interiors, this creates spaces that feel calm yet inspiring, grounded yet expressive. Abstract wood wall art becomes more than decor, it becomes atmosphere. People may not consciously analyze the artwork, but they feel its presence. This emotional influence is what makes it powerful interior design. Abstract wood wall art adapts beautifully to many interior design styles. Its versatility is one of its greatest strengths. Depending on form, texture, and finish, it can feel minimalist, rustic, luxurious, or deeply artistic. In modern minimalist interiors, abstract wood wall art often uses clean lines, repeating patterns, and subtle depth. The design avoids excess detail, allowing space and silence to become part of the artwork. The wood surface may be smooth, lightly textured, or softly layered to create calm visual rhythm. In Scandinavian and Japandi interiors, abstract wood wall art emphasizes simplicity, balance, and natural harmony. Light-toned woods, soft curves, and organic asymmetry reflect the philosophy of living slowly and intentionally. The art feels peaceful, never loud. For industrial interiors, abstract wood wall art brings warmth to concrete, steel, and brick environments. Dark-stained wood, reclaimed timber, and bold textures create contrast while maintaining an artistic edge. The rawness of the material becomes a design feature. In rustic modern interiors, abstract wood wall art blends tradition and innovation. Rough textures meet refined compositions. The artwork respects the history of wood while presenting it in a contemporary form. Scale and proportion in interior SBACES. Scale is critical when using abstract wood wall art in interiors. A piece that is too small may feel lost. One that is too large may overwhelm the space. Large abstract wood wall installations work best on expansive walls, behind sofas, above fireplaces, or along stairwells. These installations become architectural elements rather than accessories. Medium-sized pieces are ideal for bedrooms, offices, and dining spaces. They add personality without dominating the room. Small abstract wood artworks function as accents. When grouped thoughtfully, they can create visual rhythm and movement across a wall. Interior designers often consider ceiling height, furniture placement, and viewing distance when selecting wood wall art. Proper scale ensures harmony between art and space. The role of light in wood wall art. Lighting transforms abstract wood wall art completely. Natural and artificial light interact with texture, depth, and grain to create a dynamic visual experience. Side lighting enhances shadows and highlights, revealing layers and carvings. Spotlights can emphasize specific areas, guiding the viewer's eye. As daylight shifts, the artwork changes. Morning light may soften the surface, while evening light deepens contrast. This ever-changing quality makes abstract wood wall art feel alive. In modern interiors, designers often integrate lighting into the artwork itself, creating immersive installations that blur the line between art and architecture.